Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to show or hide notification of connect using switch pair. So how to enable or disable the notification of paired Bluetooth device. So when your Bluetooth device is nearby, this will show you a notification. So to enable it or disable it, I'm going to show you. First you just need to go to start menu here. So click on start menu and then go to settings here. After opening the settings, you just have to click on devices here, and you can see Bluetooth and other devices. So underneath the Bluetooth and other devices, you can see there's an option called show notification to connect using switched pair. So once selected, you can connect to supported Bluetooth device quickly when they're close by and in pairing mode. So pairing Bluetooth device will, if close by, so you can have a notification here. So it will show a notification to connect the Bluetooth device. So if you check it, that means the notification will be enabled here. Now you can get a notification from this settings here. Or to disable it, you just have to uncheck here. To enable, check, and disable, uncheck. So that's it, guys. This is a very easy and simple tutorial for you. So hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.